Hi everyone, it's Lonnie. I just wanted to do a quick card share for you guys. This is my very first card swap and I found it on the Scrapyard on Facebook. And the host, Jennifer, she's been so sweet and welcoming to me. And I've been nervous because it's my first swap, so I didn't want to disappoint anybody. So here is my card, and I wanted to get a video of it before I send it off to her. So every card has to have an envelope, so because of the dimensions of my card, I had to make this, I guess, envelope. It's more like a box, but it's because of the dimensions of the card. So this is from the Frosty Cabin stack, or Frosted Cabin stack, from Recollections at Michael's. And I really love the glittered reindeer there. And then on the back is just my info. And so let's pop it open. And then here is the card. I really, really love it. I love the way it turned out. It's simple, but the focus is still on the wreath, and that was my main goal, was to not take away from all the work that I put into the wreath. So the colors are muted, and subtle details here and there, like the embossing and the gathering of the paper here on the mantle. But here is a closer look. I got my inspiration and really tutorial off of YouTube. I will try to link the original video below for you guys to check her out. It's made out of actual real reindeer moss that I got from Joann's, and the berries and these little glittered accents and glittered pine cones. They're from little I guess stems, holiday stems that they have for like 99 cents. I just bought one, and because I needed just very little details, I was able to just cut them and have enough for all my cards. The bow is made out of sparkly red tulle, and I love it. So pretty. And the whole card base, this kind of cream color, is, I wonder if it's gonna get it. Probably not, but it's the pearlized cardstock from Coordinations, and I love the little detail of the sparkle. I tried to keep everything muted, like I said, to not take away from the wreath. So little details like sparkle and texture, is just enough. I made the mantle myself. I didn't really follow any tutorial. I just kind of scored and cut till I found something that worked for me. And this kind of gathering trim here is just crepe paper. I folded it in half and just kind of gathered it, with my fingers. Nothing too detailed or, precise. Just a very soft look, cozy look. The candles are real birthday candles. I just cut them, to different lengths so I could get the sizing that I wanted, and just kind of poked with my paper piercer and stuck them through. And they're holding up well. They don't need any glue or anything like that. It's snug in there, so I was really happy with that. Moving on down to the fireplace area, these kind of leaves are actual stems that I got off of the same branches from these guys up here. I just used here and there. I just cut pieces of it off and stuck them by the fireplace just to put some color down here on the bottom. The frame of the fireplace is popped up, and I did not emboss this. This is a separate piece. And sorry, I got some like glitter down here. It's bugging me. The texture back here on the wall is from the Stampin' Up! Square lattice folder, and I love the way that looks. It looks real. It looks like, bricks behind a fireplace. So I love that little detail. Okay, so onto the inside of the card, and hopefully this stays in frame. There we go. The sentiment is from Papertrey Ink, and it's the Stylish Sentiments Holiday Set, and I really love that set. I was so excited to get that in time to make this card. And it just says, wishing you the happiest of holidays, filled with more joy and happiness than your heart can hold. And I love this sentiment because no matter what you're celebrating this time of year, it's the holidays and it's such a wonderful time. So I didn't want to focus on Christmas or anything that I celebrate with my family. I just wanted to capture, you know, the holidays in general. So I thought it was a very fitting sentiment. And then the gold back here is just some gold glittered cardstock that I got at Michael's as well. It's very, very thick, and it's only glittered on one side, and it's just plain on the back. And that's popped up to hold up the easel card. And then this brown right here is actually a satin ribbon. Hopefully you can see that. And then just a matting of red cardstock, and I distressed the edges with, I believe, antique linen or vintage photo. And then I stamped the sentiment in Memento Cocoa, rich cocoa ink, the brown color. And then I just punched some photo corners from an EK Success punch. And I matted this cream back here is the same cardstock as the base here. And then I also matted a white frame and distressed those edges as well with the same ink. And I wanted to leave it blank. I'm pretty sure that's part of the rules, but I didn't want to mess up the card, you know, with my handwriting, even though I wish all of the recipients and all of you guys out there the happiest of holidays. I wanted to leave it blank for, you know, them to use as they wish. So that's about it. It's just, I used chipboard because the wreath is fairly heavy. I didn't want, you know, cardstock to be flopping around, so I did use some chipboard for the whole base, and then just matted it in cardstock colors. And one more thing about the wreath, it is on an actual restaurant coaster. I just kind of freely hand cut. I don't know if you could see it back there. You're not supposed to, so hopefully it's hidden enough. And you guys have to check out her tutorial and her wreaths. They're gorgeous, and I just want to thank you in advance. Sorry, I don't recall your name off the top of my head, but thank you so much, because the wreath is what really makes this card. And I love being inspired by all the crafters out there, and you guys are all so talented, and I cannot wait to participate more in swaps and actually hold these kind of creations and cards that I've been seeing online. You guys just do gorgeous work, so I hope I don't disappoint anybody. I hope it doesn't show that I'm a complete rookie at card swaps, but I do hope you enjoy it, and I hope you all have the happiest of holidays. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.